In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get clean, predictable bevels in Blender using the bevel modifier. First, select your mesh and apply its scale. Press Ctrl+A and choose Apply Scale. This step makes a big difference because Blender calculates bevel widths using your object's scale. If the scale is uneven, you'll get lopsided or inconsistent bevels. Applying scale normalizes everything so the modifier behaves predictably. Next, instead of pressing Ctrl+B to bevel manually, add a bevel modifier. Go to the Modifiers tab, click Add Modifier, and choose Bevel. Using a modifier keeps your bevels non-destructive, so you can tweak values at any time without permanently changing the mesh. It also helps you maintain cleaner topology and makes iteration much easier. Set the limit method to angle. This tells Blender to only bevel edges sharper than a certain threshold, instead of trying to bevel every edge. That keeps flat areas intact and focuses the effect where it matters, like corners and tight transitions. Adjust the angle to something in the range of 30 to 45 degrees. This is a dependable starting point for most hard surface models. If you find the bevel affecting too many edges, raise the angle slightly. If it's missing some sharp corners, lower it a bit. The goal is to catch sharp edges while leaving broad flat surfaces alone. Increase the segments value slowly. Try 2 or 3 segments for a nice rounded feel without overcomplicating the mesh. Higher segment counts can introduce shading issues and make the model heavier than it needs to be. To fix dark shading and artifacts, enable harden normals in the bevel modifier. Then open object data properties, go to normals and enable auto smooth. This combination aligns the shading with the bevel's shape and prevents those muddy, pinched highlights you sometimes see. Keep an eye on the amount value in the bevel modifier. If the bevel is too large, corners can collapse or overlap, creating messy geometry. Dial the amount down until intersections look clean and the profile reads well from all angles. If the mesh is very simple and you notice the bevel stretching or distorting, add supporting geometry. Enter edit mode, press A to select everything, right-click and choose subdivide with 1 or 2 cuts. A bit of extra topology gives the bevel something to hold on to and keeps corners crisp without warping. Follow these settings and adjustments and you'll get clean, controlled bevels that shade beautifully and hold up under close inspection.